Welcome to Grey Network, ladies and gentlemen. So let's continue our KYC journey. And I made a tutorial showing how to start the KYC process, but you will need to check in for 7 days consecutively before you can move on to the next step. Checking in 7 days is your first step, right? You can do that via the KYC. I just came to also understand that the daily check-in that you have on the homepage here is different from the one for KYC. So ensure you click on KYC button from the menu bar, and when it opens, you see identity verification progression, step 1 in progress, right? So you will click on mining commitment here. So as you can see, I have checked in day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7/7 days active. The streak achieved. You have successfully registered 7 continuous days of presence. Click the verification button below to complete step 1. Click on verify and complete step 1. Submitting ledger signature. Money commitment verified. Continue. Now it says I've completed step 1 of 6. So now let's move on to the next. So now this one here says requires your full name, country, and verified email address. Start date 25th August, right? So it looks like I have to wait. Start date is approaching, right? So I'll just have to wait for 25th of August. So that's your step 2. So what do we have here? Unlock state pending. Complete steps 1 and 2 first. Okay. So that's the second step, right? Looks like this KYC is very gradual. They have all the time in the world. This one started on the 8th of August, and the next one will start on the 25th, right? I just completed this single step. I have 6 more steps to go. And next, after phone and email verification, is you claim 5% of your coins. Complete step 1 and 2. Unlock 5% of your coins claimable to your wallet. The next is phone verification. Requires a valid phone number verified by OTP. Next to that is ID document verification. Requires payment of 5 Grey coins and government issued. And this one is starting on the 11th of November. Form verification is starting on the 15th of October. Profile and email August 25th. Then selfie is the same day as the ID verification. So what do we have here? KYC phase 1, important notice. Complete the entire KYC steps 1 to 6 to unlock an additional percentage of your mined coins. Please note that phase 1 will officially come to an end December 31st. Have this at the back of your mind, right? Grey token, they have all the strategies, they have everything it takes to be a great project. I think what they're doing here is to make sure people don't dump, right? Because once people find the coin has a value, they just grab a lot, sell off everything, and live in the project like that. So I think they are trying to protect that so that there will be fewer coins in circulation. Imagine claiming just 5% after stage 1 and 2, and then you will have another percentage to claim later on. So I think that will help sustain the prestige of the project. There's nothing we can do about that. They own the project. They know what policies are best for the growth and the best of the project. So let's give them that benefit of the doubt to be on the right path. So there you have it, guys. That's the next stage of Grey Network KYC phase 1. So it is limited to the first 100 active users. So you need to act fast. I made a video before on how to start. I've leaving the link to that video, so you go check it out. And this is just the next one. I will make a video come 25th of August when I can verify my name and email address, and of course also claim 5% of my coins. So they have a marketplace. Let's click here. So there are things available for sale. They are listed for sale, and the exchange rate is 1 Grey to 1.8 USD, right? You can buy. There's iPhone X, iPhone 13 Pro. Their prices are there in Grey and in USD. So you can look all of them up. This one, White Fox Leather for 22 Grey, iPhone 6, a pad, a TV, a monitor, okay, and a whole lot of things, right? So I don't know if we are able to unlock our 5%, then we can actually try to order. I hope they allow us to do that, right? So in the right time, I will show you how to connect your wallet to the Grey marketplace so you can actually make purchases. All right, so it's a very prestigious project, so don't sleep on it. Don't miss out on the KYC because it's a necessary prerequisite for using the token, so to be successful and eligible for airdrop distribution at all. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. If you're not already mining Grey token, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and start mining. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.